Hi everyone, welcome to our channel CodeBeyondDegree. Today we will create contact us form in our website and use DB contact form DB plugin to see submitted data of our website. Search for form, select contact form. Here we can see name, email and message. In our wireframe, we can see our input field are fully. So we will click on name, setting, design, layout, make full width. Okay. Same as it, we will also make email address full width. Now we'll give title to our contact us form. Title. Feel free to message us. In our design, there is no spam protection, so we'll remove spam protection. Now we'll change the color of button. Use custom style for button text size 16 px, color yellow. I think now button is also looking good. Setting, email. Place the email where you have to get message when end user send a message. I will place my email codebeyonddegree@gmail.com. Okay. Now when end user fill this form, you will get mail in that email. Now we have to install plugin so that we can get those email in our dashboard. We'll search for DB form DB plugin. Open contact form DB plugin. Download. Now go to dashboard. Plugin. Add new plugin. Upload plugin. Choose file. Install now. Our plugin is installing. Now we have to activate plugin. Activate plugin. Now go to DB form DB plugin. You can see there is no data. Now we'll go to our website and fill the form. Name test. Email test@gmail.com. Message hi and submit the form. Who has been submitted. Now go to dashboard. Refresh the dashboard page. Click on view form submission. Here we can see mail which we have filled. Thank you for watching my video. See you soon in next video. Please like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon for further notification. Till then, keep motivated, keep learning.